Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Adobe Creative Cloud Student discount. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular browser, type in Adobe Creative Cloud Student. As soon as you've done that, you will find this particular search option right over here. Go ahead, tap on it. So you can see once you have done that, we are in the section where we can currently directly find the section of students save 66% on Creative Cloud all apps. But for that, we will have to simply purchase this, which we can get the free trial for as well. And we can directly tap on buy now and can, use it for further purposes. So now as for the student, it is heavily discounted. You can see it usually, as you can see, the cost is like a $60 for the normal use, but for students it is heavily discounted per $20 only. Once you have got this particular subscription, you will be able to use all of the Adobe Creative Cloud apps. So for now, tap on buy now, decide to further proceed with your or not. So that is it for this video. You simply have to get the subscription and you will be able to use it. So hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.